Hi friends, welcome to Mathstoon. Today we will learn to find the factors of 54. So let's start. Firstly, we will express 54 multiplicatively in all the possible ways. Let us first express 54 as 1 times 54. Now, as 54 is an even number, so 2 will divide it and we have 2 times 27. Next, number 3 divides 54 and gives us 3 times 18. Next, 4 does not divide 54, so we will move to 5, and this number also does not divide 54. Now, this is time for 6. And we see that 6 divides 54 and we have 6 times 9 which is equal to 54. Between 6 and 9 we have 7 and 8, but these two numbers do not divide 54. Next, number 9 is already here, so we will stop right now. So here are the factors of 54, which are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27 and 54. So we have the total number of factors of 54, which is 8. Now if we look at these factors, we can see that 2 and 3 among these numbers are prime numbers, because these two numbers do not have any divisor other than 1 and that number itself. So we can say that the prime factors of 54 are 2 and 3. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave your comment in the comment box. Please do not forget to subscribe this channel.